Hi there, welcome to episode 178 of the Daily Shed. Today I'm going to show you kind of a tricky fingerstyle exercise, basically using double strokes on a bass line while playing a melody above it. And the song I'm using is Winter Hymnal by the Fleet Foxes. It's a very cool melody. And the melody itself goes... That's the whole thing, and it helps if you do know the song. If not, go listen to it a few times. It's a great melody. It gets stuck in your head. So what's going on underneath all of that is a very simple bass line. It's just G, basically G, just C, G, E minor, basically. Is that right? Yes. Back to E minor, actually. Yes. But keeping it going with these double strokes in conjunction with the melody is what's tricky. So as you're playing that melody, here's the very start of it. Like that. Sorry, E minor, and so it's G, A minor, and C. So doing those double strokes, 1, 2, dun, dun, 2, dun, 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 it's like 1, 2, N3, 4, N1, 2, N3, 4, N1, 2, N3, 4, like that, N1, N3 every time with the double stroke on the bass. It's very tricky to keep it going through the whole thing. I'll go ahead and play through it. I may mess up once or twice myself, but it's a nice thing if you start out just slow with it and just get used to using half your mind on keeping the melody going and the other half on having the timing right for the low string. So again, the whole melody. Like that. That's the whole thing there. Again, you just have to keep the N1 and N3 going as they play through the G, the A, and the C, that bass line, while keeping that melody going over top. Really great exercise, and I've definitely had to work at it. I'm doing it for an upcoming video, so I've had some practice time with it. But a very nice challenge and a cool thing you might be able to apply to your own songs also. So, hope it's useful. Let me know any questions or comments, and thanks for watching.